Hey everyone, so today at TWT we have this beautiful Landcruiser 2021 model VXR, and right now we are doing the calibration of 360 cameras in this Landcruiser. So let's check out with our expert. So you can check the calibration is done. So the size of the screen is 19.8 inches. It has wireless CarPlay, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB memory with 2K resolution. You can watch YouTube, Netflix. It has Waze, Google Maps, and much more. So if anyone has an inquiry for this screen, he can contact us. You can check the 360 camera. This is the left side view, and that's the right side view, and this is the front view. So hope you like the screen. Let us know. Also, if you are looking for same screen, contact us. Thank you.